Hi everyone, this is Dr. Burns. I just wanted to share with you this video that I found online on YouTube to kind of guide you on how Rosetta Stone is used. And once you go into the actual program, how you can set up certain things and how the program actually works when you move, from the beginning to the end. So it will be by basically logging in with your information that I gave you previously, and that information was sent to you in your email. A lot of you have already logged in. It is a requirement that you actually go into Rosetta Stone 30 minutes a day. You can always do more, but you definitely have to let me know in the post so that you can get credit. Every day I can pull a report and see who actually has gone into Rosetta Stone. If you do not go into Rosetta Stone and do your 30 minutes, you will not receive credit, which will affect your grade. And so I want to make sure that everybody goes in there because not only is it important because of your grade, but it's also important because it will help you learn the English language at a faster rate. So here, I found this video to kind of guide you.
Login or anything. So any computer program they have, you are going to use the same username and password to sign in on Rosetta Stone. You have a section here for my first-time users. If you'd like to check that out, you're more than welcome to. But if you continue to follow along with my video, I think you guys will be set up once I'm done with it. I'm going to click Launch Rosetta Stone, and I'm going to let my computer load it up. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to click on Level 1. Unless you are a native Spanish speaker and have access to the language full-time at home, then maybe if I were you, I would start off at Level 3, 4, or 5 and see where your level is. They get progressively more difficult as the program goes on, so you might be able to start at Level 4 or Level 5 and see where it goes. But considering most of us are beginners with this language, we're going to begin at Level 1, and we're going to press Continue. If you are new to the program, my third graders, if you've never done it before, after you click on Level 1, generally the screen is going to prompt you for if you're a female, a male, or a child. You all are children, and it wants the child part of it because just in case you have to use your voice, it wants to be able to recognize a child's voice. So make sure you click on that. Okay, now that we're signed into the program, I want you all to take a look. Up here we have Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, and Unit 4. So there are 4 units within Level 1. Generally, most of you are going to be on Unit 1, which is Language Basics, and that's where you should begin. So you're going to begin at Unit 1, you're going to begin at Unit 1, Lesson 1, which is the core lesson. Now, clearly you can see that I'm in progress, but I'm going to start it over to show you guys how to continue this. So I'm going to press Unit 1, Lesson 1, and I'm going to reset my score to restart the activity. Now, you'll see here microphone selection. Sometimes the microphones with Rosetta Stone can be a little bit iffy, so we've given you the option not to use the speaking portion of this program because sometimes you have to go out and buy specific headsets or they don't connect. So this way, you can press Continue without speech, which is what I'm going to do. If you click without speech, then you are going to find that some of the slides just pass by you. They're not going to count towards your grade, but at the same time, they're not going to count for it. So if you end up getting a 75% on this section, it's because some of those slides weren't incorporated into what you've done. So you can't get 100% because you didn't do some of the slides. So this is a listening and a visual. So you'll hear
una niña, un niño.
And then you have to match una niña here to one of the pictures. Clearly, una niña, it's right here is this little girl. So we're going to click this, and we got it right.
Un niño. La niña come. La niña bebe. El niño come.
So here what you're doing is you're using the visuals of the pictures as well as the words to match up to know what El Niño means and also to know what come means. Well, if you have here La Niña, you know that La Niña is a girl. You have come, you see that this girl is eating. calling and Bebe that this girl is drinking. So now by process of elimination and by learning you that El Nino is clearly a boy and come means to eat. So we're going to click here.
El niño bebe. Una niña. Un niño.
This is one of the speaking slides it's just going to pass through,
La niña bebe. El niño
as
bebe.
well as this one.
La niña come. El niño come. Una mujer. Un hombre. Una mujer.
Same thing as the niña and the niño page. You're trying to match una mujer,
Un hombre. Una mujer. Un hombre.
this is a speaking slide.
La mujer bebe.
So now what we're doing is we're taking what we learned from the El Nino and La Nina screens with come and bebe, and we're applying it to la mujer and el hombre. So we know that bebe means to drink, and we know that la mujer means woman. So we're going to look for the woman that's drinking.
El hombre bebe.
Same thing.
La mujer come. El hombre come.
Now, I'm going to pause this activity.
El niño come.
I'm going to pause this activity, and I'm going to give you a little bit of information. If at any point in time the screen freezes, what you should do is you should click this home button, and it will bring you back to the home page, and you can then continue with your progress from here. The program only starts recording time when you are logged into the actual program. This is not recording any time right now. It's when you're physically doing the program that time is being recorded. So please keep that in mind if you're looking to set a goal for how many minutes you want to complete a week. If at any time I wanted to use speech recognition, I would click here. I could set my preferences. I could watch a Rosetta Stone how-to video. This is your setting place. And then here's your questions about Rosetta Stone, about the screen, about the course. So you can use that as well. Whenever you want to end your program, you can sign out. Really quit Rosetta Stone? Yes. And I'm back here and I can sign out. If you have any questions about Rosetta Stone and its program and how to work it, please, at any point in time, feel free to call me at school. My extension is 2130, or send me an email. My email is rsfriedman@usrschoolsk8.com. I hope you all found this video helpful, and I look forward to working with your students on Rosetta Stone and seeing the success that they have with it. Thank you.
Okay, that concludes it.